In this video, we're going to show you how to use AI to fix your credit report in 1 hour. Yes, you heard me right, 1 hour. Are you familiar with artificial intelligence? Well, AI has just taken over. Can you imagine fixing your credit report in 1 hour?
Gloria, you're right. AI has revolutionized several industries, even the credit repair industry. Now you can fix your credit right on your phone with just a few clicks.
Wow. All I can say is, are you ready to buy that new dream house, the new car, or just have a great credit score?
Let's get started with this fast and easy to use software. The name of the software is Luxury Credit Hacks. Luxury Credit Hacks utilizes AI software to help you dispute negative items that are on your credit report.
Okay, so I know you're wondering what items can be disputed with this AI software. So let's jump right into it. Collections, late payments, inquiries, and public records. And also, you can dispute all 3 bureaus, TransUnion, Equifax, and even Experian. To make it even easier, there are 5 short videos in the tutorial section that will walk you through step by step.
Now that you have watched the tutorial videos and set up the credit monitoring, let's check out the dashboard at Luxury Credit Hacks. The software will process your credit report and your credit scores. The AI will separate your positive and negative items. That is a lot better than shuffling through all the pages of your credit report. Make sure you stick around to the end of the video so you don't miss a step in this software.
Now you can begin to create your first dispute letter with TransUnion. There's no limit to how many items you can dispute. Now select the negative account that you want to dispute. Choose from accounts, public records, or even inquiries.
This is where the magic begins with the AI. The software will suggest the best reason to dispute each negative item.
Now, you gotta have a suggested reason, but if you wanted to use a custom reason, you can. For the sake of time, I'll just go with a custom reason, but I would advise you use a suggested reason because the AI is gonna do all the work for you. All right, once you've chosen all the reasons you want to use, you click finish. Now, guess what? You finished your TransUnion letter. You're going to move on to your Experian letter. Do the exact same thing and see how it has a suggested reason. Go with that. Now, when you're finished, now you're on to your last one, which is Equifax. Choose your negative items, click next, go with the suggested reason, finish.
Okay, awesome. Repeat that process for all 3 bureaus. Remember, you're generating a letter for TransUnion, Experian, and Equifax.
Remember, you will have 3 separate emails sent to you. Make sure you follow the instructions on the cover page.
Now make sure you mark when you sent the letters in the software so that it can remind you.
The software will remind you in 40 days to send out your next round of disputes.
So the software will make sure that your disputes are as effective as possible. Luxury Credit Hacks remembers every account that is under dispute and knows how to create second, third, even fourth if needed. Each letter is a different strategy. Fast forward the next month, Luxury Credit Hacks will import and analyze your 3 bureau report. And it will compare it to your credit report from last month. You'll see what accounts were deleted. Now, your new credit scores will be at the top along an arrow that shows how much they've gone up. It's incredible how much the software can help you improve your credit score. Having a low credit score can be a source of stress and anxiety for many people. It can be difficult to get approved for loans and credit cards, and it can affect your ability to rent an apartment, get a job, or a house. Luxury Credit Hacks understands the emotional toll that a low credit score can take on a person. That's why they designed their software to be easy to use and easy to understand.
AI generated the letters for you. No typing, none whatsoever. You can do this with a few clicks on your cell phone. How easy is that?
Now that you've found these emails and printed out the letters, remember to follow the instructions and handwrite all the information that's requested from you. This lets the credit bureau know that the letters came from you and not a credit repair company. Make sure to include your ID and your address verification.
Make sure you don't forget to mail your letters to the credit bureaus. The process does not start until they get the letters. Wasn't that fast and easy? It's just like having a credit expert right on your phone or laptop. Members has been seeing amazing results using this software with just a click of a button.
Memphis just got his score up to 759.
759, you understand?
Next week, he'll be ready to go get credit cards, cars, even buy a new house if he wanted to.
Maserati, Range Rover.
Let's do it.
And a big house?
Let's do it.
I told you guys, AI is taking over. Look at the results on this credit report.
This is a fast and easy software to use to remove those stubborn negative items that have been hurting your credit score. So let's get started. Set up an account with Luxury Credit Hacks, then link your credit monitoring for $39.95 a month. Yes, that's $39.95 a month to monitor your credit. The credit monitoring is not a hard inquiry on your credit, so it will not affect your credit score.
Yes, you heard it right. It's only $39.95, the credit monitoring. There's no hidden fees, and that's only $1.33 a day to raise your credit score. Wow, you can't go wrong with this.
Thanks for sticking around in this video. We got a bonus for you. If you have more questions about your credit, there is a coaching section in the software. It has 10 short and very informative videos about how to build great credit.
Look at these videos, you guys. They are so exciting and they're not very long videos. Then you got in the resource section, you have letter templates. If you want to go to the creditors directly, you can dispute with the credit bureau dispute. You got a creditor dispute where you can dispute directly with the creditors. You have a validation request you can send to the debt collector. Stock contact, identity theft guide in case you're a victim of identity theft. Even a lawsuit guide. This is not legal advice, but it has a guide that you can use. All right, then you got the goodwill letter, personal info letter, which a lot of people need. This is one of the most important letters that is included. Look at this letter, use this letter, send it off. If you have a missing credit bureau, this happens a lot. You may pull a 3-bureau report and you don't have anything on that one bureau. It teaches you what to do. All you do is click the button and you download.
Make sure you check out the one about personal information.
Make sure you leave a comment about how long the process took. If you enjoyed this video, YouTube is about to suggest another video that can help you keep empowering your finances. Thank you, and we'll see you on the next video.